Okay, let's go.
So y'all, I am going to show you an example of how you should sometimes just sit stuff out, you know? Just let it go. Just let it go.
How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Galucia with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
Okay.
Okay?
Am I breaking the law?
Yes.
You know, right at a particular point when you getting ready to have a problem with somebody, like he just said you have an expired license and registration. And she asked, am I breaking the law?
Your tag is expired.
Any crime?
Yes, your tag is
Do you
expired.
have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right now.
You have
So I'll
another
need your license. You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your information...
Call your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for your
It's upon
supervisor.
demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my
You're a public
supervisor.
servant.
You wait. Because
You serve the public.
Yes.
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt
509.
anybody. I'm not...
526.
Ma'am, at what given time did the officer say that you hurt anybody? And why do people feel like the minute that they are wrong and they don't have a defense, I'm demanding your supervisor? That is not required by an officer. That is a courtesy that officers give to citizens. You know? You know.
Would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially.
Commercial?
So...
Your tag is expired. Come here.
So...
It's still a lawful stop.
It's lawful?
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful?
It's
You know the
legal
difference?
and... I'm not going to argue with
I'm
you.
not arguing, sir. I'm asking you a
I'm
question.
asking you for your driver's license. You're driving your vehicle in the state of Florida and you are...
traveling. I'm traveling.
So you're going to play that game.
No, I'm not playing any
Okay,
game.
yeah.
This is my freedom
Okay.
we're talking about
Yeah,
here.
it is. And sure,
We're talking about you.
my
as a
sergeant's on his
servant.
way, and
We're talking about you as a
my
public servant.
my sergeant's on the way, and you can talk to
and
him.
We can talk to him.
Yeah,
And I hope you know.
I hope
you're
you
doing
know.
what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
What is he doing wrong? He just stopped you and said, hey, my name is Officer such and such, and the reason I'm stopping is because your tag is expired. Can I have your license and registration? Am I missing something?
Tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance.
Okay.
She's traveling.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing
Good. So I'm the day
Good
shift
now.
supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
Yes.
what law am I
Well,
breaking?
Apparently, you're
What law is that?
Okay. Can we see your license and registration?
That has nothing
Okay.
to do with
10:50.
So everybody know what 1015 mean, right? It means, ma'am, you're going to jail.
because are you
You're under arrest.
okay? For
No.
what? Why are you arresting me? Is your
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
wow?
This is
Please
not.
don't-
This isn't.
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not.
Marcus.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in.
She made that worse than it had to be. And now at the end, all of a sudden it's not her car. See, sometimes people escalate things to where they do not have to go. Simple and plain. The officer seemed like he was very nice when he approached her. All she really had to do was, if it wasn't her car, say, hey, it wasn't her car. But the fact of the matter is, in my opinion, when people act like that over a simple license and registration, it's because you know you're in the wrong and you have nothing else to justify it but to try to be controversial and combative. That's it. That's all. And that's the lesson for today. Listen, stop trying to quote and repeat a law you don't know nothing about, and then you make yourself end up looking crazy. And then what? You end up in a 10-15. Ma'am, you're under arrest. Don't make things harder than they have to be. Sometimes a simple conversation, simple explanation can make all the difference in the world. See you guys on the next video.